Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the axle on the Cub Cadet Chipper Shredder, you will need a 1/2-inch socket, a small gear puller, a large flathead screwdriver, vice grip pliers, a mallet, and wood supports. Lift the rear of the chipper shredder and use the wood supports to prop it up on both sides. Use the small gear puller to partially pry a push cap forward. You can now use the 1/2-inch socket, the small gear puller, and a small piece of wood to fully detach the push cap. The push cap's inner plate may have to be removed separately. With the push cap fully detached, use the vice grip pliers to secure the axle. You can now detach the opposite push cap. Remove the vice grip pliers and slide the wheels off. Remove the 2 spacers and you can slide out the old axle. To install the new axle, slide it through the holes in the base. Slide the 2 spacers onto the new axle, along with the wheel assemblies. Align the push caps on the ends of the axle. Use the mallet to fully secure each cap as you hold the opposite side of the axle in place. Remove the wood supports, and the chipper shredder should be ready for use.